This channel reached more than 60,000 subscribers with just 28 videos. And the most interesting thing is that its very first video went viral. Next is a channel that reached over 80,000 subscribers with only 34 videos. And the fun part is its first 3 videos went viral. Look at this channel that completed more than 500,000 subscribers with just 71 videos. All of these are channels that don't show their faces, and some don't even use their voices. If you're about to skip this video, stop for a moment, because this is a niche most people don't even think about creating a channel in, since they'll never know how to make videos that make the competition practically zero. Today I'm going to give you the breakdown of this niche, something you won't find anywhere else on YouTube. I've been researching this niche for more than a month. Videos in this niche are so in demand that one channel got monetized with just 7 videos. And that happened within only 1 month. And you know how hard it usually is to monetize a channel, because people start channels in the wrong niche. So in today's video, I'll give you the complete roadmap for this niche. I'll explain the full process, from channel branding to how to make this type of video. First, let's cover some important points you must know. This niche includes many keywords like self-improvement, personal development, fitness and health motivation, lifestyle transformation, discipline and productivity, mindset and mental toughness, youth motivation. You can create unlimited videos using these keywords, and there will be absolutely no shortage of content. One more thing, you can make the entire video without spending any money. Most of the channels I showed you in this niche are run by 12th grade students, and they don't actually have any special discipline or health, despite what they claim in their videos. So don't back away thinking, my own body is weak. How will I teach others to build a healthy body? Or, I've fallen into bad habits. How can I teach people good habits? If you're thinking that, stop. Because to make these videos, you only need your brain and nothing else. So, let's start. Step 1, first we'll create the channel. But in this step, I won't show how to create the channel itself. I'll teach how to make a channel name, logo, and a good banner that will fit this niche. For the channel name, we'll go to ChatGPT and type, I'm creating a channel on self-improvement, fitness, and health motivation. Suggest 10 channel names that are unique and easy to read. Then send it, and ChatGPT will suggest 10 unique names, and if you don't like any, type more, and you'll get another 10 names. After selecting the name, I will check if there is another channel on YouTube with this name. This will benefit me because whenever someone searches my channel, mine will appear at the top, which is good for any channel. Now let's talk about the channel logo. I designed my channel logo myself in Pika Labs. It looks something like this, but you can also generate a logo using ChatGPT. Now it's time for the YouTube banner. For this, I asked ChatGPT to write motivational, inspirational copy using my channel name. ChatGPT wrote it, and I highlighted my channel name and used it on the YouTube banner. This way, you can get an idea of how to make a banner. So simply add a channel name, logo, and banner, and we'll create our channel. Step 2. Now we'll do the channel SEO so our videos will rank, and YouTube will understand which audience our videos are for. YouTube will then suggest our videos to that audience. For channel SEO, you only need the channel description and keywords. You'll find the keywords in my video's description. To use them, simply go to the channel dashboard, click Settings, click Channel, paste all the keywords into the Keywords section, and click Save. Now for the description. You can generate the description with ChatGPT. Just tell it your channel name and niche. ChatGPT will give you a description, which you can copy into the channel description. Once that's done, our channel SEO will be complete. Step 3. Now about scripting. For videos like these, you must keep the script very strong, with a proper hook, emotion, deep psychology, and relatability. Perfect in every way, which isn't something you can easily do on your own. That's why I spent hours talking to ChatGPT about this. Choose the most popular script from the channel's viral videos. Prompt ChatGPT to write similar scripts for you, keeping the tone, script length, and topic the same. Step 4. For voiceover, we'll use ElevenLabs. Simply paste your script here. Select the V2 model and then choose a character with a deep voice. There are many deep voice options. I'm using the Peter character. Then go to Settings, slightly increase the speed, and click Generate. Step 5. In such videos, you'll usually find movie clips, AI videos, stock videos, AI-generated images, text, and a bit of animation. To find movie clips, visit the websites mentioned. You'll find clips based on specific keywords. Next is AI videos. For that, use the Pinterest app. Here you'll find movie clips, AI videos, and animations all in one place. Most creators in this niche use this app. If you want to download a video, search on Google for Pinterest Video Downloader, click the first link, paste the video link you want, and then click Download. Now let's talk about AI images and text. For AI images, go to Leonardo AI. You'll find high-quality visuals there. Download all your materials according to your voiceover. Now comes the editing part. Editing in these videos isn't too complicated. You just need to align the visuals with the voice and add text wherever needed. For editing, I'll use InShot, but you can use any app. First, click the plus icon and add a black background. Then, import your voice and add background music, adjusting the volume as needed. Now comes the main task that takes time, syncing the visuals and small animations with the voice. I'm just explaining the structure of editing, not showing the full process, otherwise the video would become too long. Remember to add text overlays between clips to make the video more impactful. Also, add riser sound effects in some places to make your video more engaging. Finally, export your video. Step 6. Before viewing the final result, let's learn how to make a thumbnail for such videos. Most thumbnails in this niche use a red background, an anime image, and bold motivational text. To create a thumbnail, use Pika Labs. My topic was about consistency, so I opened an image search app, typed consistency, and selected an image that fit the theme. I downloaded it to use in the thumbnail. Now, in Pika Labs, add a red background and your text. Then, insert the downloaded image and position it properly. After that, your thumbnail will be ready. It's a simple thumbnail, but that's exactly how thumbnails in this niche usually look, so I didn't go into extra detail. Now the thumbnail is ready. The video is ready. You just need to upload it with proper SEO. If you skip SEO, that will be a huge mistake. Use tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or ChatGPT to find keywords your audience searches for. Make it clickable and engaging. Use numbers, questions, or emotional triggers. Example, consistency beats luck. 5. Tiny habits that change everything. That's all for this video. And if you want to learn how to make more viral videos, subscribe to the channel and keep learning.